Hello, everybody. Merry Christmas. We are on day 25 of my Advent calendar. Let's see what the kids gave me for the 25th. All right. We have, well, 2 tags, but I'm only going to do one. I have a lot of tags. So we have a little Diane Rivalry. Let's see. I'll do that. A little Nomi guy. I'll move that up a little bit. Let's see what else is here. Cool. It's going to be a simple one, guys. Just going to... down like that. Star. Oopsie. There we go. That's it. That's day 25, guys. I enjoyed doing these. It was fun having the kids. Oh, what's this little thing? Oh, it says love. I don't know why that's there. It was fun doing these little things that I had the kids do. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas today. And I know you're probably not watching this today, or you never know. So I wish you a Merry Christmas and have a wonderful day. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye for now.